Benvenuti, scholars. The dissertation can feel like climbing Mount Everest. Massive, overwhelming, and unclear where to even start. But what if I told you that AI could be your guide for this journey to help you navigate each step to make the climb a little more manageable and achievable? If you don't know me, hi, I'm Dr. Markette, and my mission is to help doctoral students get to graduation. If you do know me, bentornati, welcome back. So let's talk about AI. The first use of AI is for planning. In the early stages, use AI as your brainstorming partner. Share your broad research interests and let AI help you generate potential research questions, identify theoretical frameworks, or suggest methodological approaches you hadn't considered. I like to use Claude.ai, but there are many AI platforms available now. In the AI prompt box, you might say something like this: I'm interested in educational technology adoption in rural schools. Then AI can suggest angles you may not have considered. But remember that AI is not a means to an end, but a springboard. You need to choose something that you want to study, and not just something that AI suggests. Think of AI as a brainstorming buddy. Next, you can ask AI to help you find peer-reviewed articles that will be recent and relevant. Many students like using Elicit, Research Rabbit, and Semantic Scholar. But there are many platforms out there as well. These types of research finding tools will save hours, weeks, and even months in your dissertation journey. The third way to effectively use AI in dissertation writing and research is asking it to help with project management. Once you have your research direction, AI excels at helping you create project timelines. You can throw in your professional and personal commitments and let the AI engine of your choice create a project plan for your dissertation. It can help you manage your life while writing your dissertation. Used properly, AI can be your personal project manager. The next step is to use AI to assist with writing and development. Don't get me wrong, I'm not suggesting that AI be a ghostwriter for you. Let me be clear. Copying and pasting AI script into your dissertation and passing it off as your own work is tantamount to plagiarism at worst and dishonest at best. Plus, you wanted this doctorate to signify the pinnacle of your academic career, and you wanted to develop as a deep critical thinker. How can you feel proud of something that you didn't write? Do not go down that road. Instead, think of AI as your personal writing tutor or editor. Stuck in how to transition between ideas? Ask AI for suggestions. Struggling to explain a complex concept clearly? Use AI to help you brainstorm different approaches. AI can help you maintain consistency across chapters, suggest ways to strengthen your arguments, or identify places where you need more evidence. Think of it as having a writing partner available 24/7 who can help you work through these ideas. But remember this rule: AI helps you express and brainstorm your ideas, but it shouldn't author them. Your insights, your analysis, your contributions to the field, these must remain authentically yours. Finally, AI can help with revisions and refinements. In the revision stage, AI can help you identify weak arguments, spot inconsistencies, or suggest places where your writing could be clearer. It can help you ensure your dissertation tells a coherent story from introduction to conclusion. Grammarly and Copilot can really help here. Use AI to challenge your own thinking by asking, what are potential weaknesses in this argument? Or, how might critics respond to this claim? Asking AI these questions can help strengthen your work before it reaches your committee, who will probably ask these same types of questions. AI can solve those issues before they even come up. The dissertation is your intellectual marathon, and AI can be an excellent training partner and support system. But you're still the one running the race, crossing the finish line and earning that doctoral degree. Use the comment section below to share your wins and struggles with each other using AI. How is your university handling AI in your program? Let me help you get to graduation.
Okay, hold on a second. Just don't forget to smile. Yeah, like smile a little bit more.
Let me help you get to graduation.